Hi, this is Kevin Martin, Chief Research Officer at I4CP. We're thrilled to bring to you this new executive brief, 5 Essential Elements to Manage Continuous Disruption. The purpose of this 3-minute video is to give you a quick overview of the model and an example. At the conclusion, I encourage you to check out the executive brief for more information. Now, while disruption is not new to anyone, what is new is that we now operate in a business environment of continuous disruption. And the question that HR executives must be prepared to answer is, what is your organization doing to manage this continuous disruption rather than be managed by it? Now, as complex systems theory suggests, when there are multiple parts moving around in chaos, there are a few core elements that will drive the emergence of the desired new state, output, or result. Those elements, according to I4CP research, are market, your customers, strategy, culture, leadership, and talent. And it's the understanding of the intersection and interdependencies of these 5 elements that is critical to an organization's ability to innovate, as well as anticipate, adapt, and act on change. Here's an example of what I'm referring to. To better align with the ever-evolving expectations of its customers and markets, an organization's CEO and board have decided to shift the business model from mechanical to digital. Now, this shift in strategy will dictate whether and how the organization's culture must shift in order to support and not impede the ability to execute the revised strategy. Now, when a shift in culture is required, the first place an organization's senior leadership must look is in the mirror. Do they have the skill set and mindset to drive the desired new culture? For instance, the desired culture may be one that rewards intelligent risk-taking and productive collaboration among self-directed and diverse teams, as opposed to risk aversion and permissions-based management. The ability of those leaders at all levels to lead in this new way of working and embody the desired culture is non-negotiable and must be supported in how leaders are selected, developed, and rewarded. And this also holds true for all the organization's talent. Does the organization have access to the talent it needs to evolve and operate in a new digital model? Has it put in place mechanisms to upskill or reskill its existing workforce? And does the organization have an employer brand that is recognizable and strong enough to attract and retain the talent it requires? In this era of continuous disruption, these 5 elements must be revisited regularly. For the goal should not be to build an organization that simply reacts quickly to change, nor should it only be to build an organization that is almost impervious to disruption. Rather, the goal should be to build an organization that succeeds via a systemic approach to managing continuous disruption. We hope you'll find this content and its related worksheet and assessment helpful. Thank you.